in how to download videos from LinkedIn. Alright, in this video I'll walk you through the whole process. All you just need to do is to follow the instruction on the screen. Follow the steps, follow the instructions on the screen. That's all you need to do, and in a moment from now you will be able to download videos from LinkedIn. So that is all you need to know. So let's go into the tutorial and you follow the instructions on the screen. See you on the other side. Cheers. Bye for now.
Yes.